This is probably one of the funniest fix your computer videos I've ever seen. How to fix your computer for good. I read that and I had to watch it.
Hello, my name is Mark and I'm a certified computer technician. Today we will be repairing a customer's laptop. Also, working on computers can be very frustrating.
Yes.
So just take a deep breath.
Definitely frustrating.
And relax if you're getting stressed out. Starting the computer. Okay, I'm pressing different keys.
Okay.
Sometimes
could be in sleep mode.
Loose wiring in the computer, and a little tap or rubbing the keys can start the computer.
What?
And apparently it's still not starting yet, so we can try a little harder tap. And it's not going on. See the monitor? Strange. This is very strange. The light tapping.
May as well take a sledgehammer to it.
Remain calm.
Mark, you definitely need to remain calm.
I mean, everybody gets frustrated with computers. I mean, we're all just humans. All this is just a machine.
That's true.
You know, it's
That's
nothing
true.
to get intimidated by or upset from. It's just a machine. Doesn't seem to be it.
Come
now,
on,
you don't
Mark.
want to get too frustrated because you might hurt the computer.
I'm pretty sure you've already hurt the computer.
They're fragile. And it's easy. It's easy to hurt the computer.
Yeah.
So you want to be delicate with it. And you want to remain calm. Obviously. The problem is not the wiring.
Oh, obviously.
So we're going to have to open up the computer and look at the various components in it and see if we can diagnose the problem. Now at this point, you want to consult a professional such as myself.
I don't think you're a professional.
Or do it yourself at your own risk. It's sometimes better to get a qualified professional such as myself to do the job because you know it'll be covered, it'll be insured.
I would not want to be an insurance company for you, Mark.
We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to open the back. This particular model requires it. Put the screwdriver in like this and start turning. This one is stripped.
Okay.
And I can't use a screwdriver to get it out. So we're going to have to use...
Oh, God, no. Oh. Oh, no.
Now, if you touch just lightly on the edges, you won't destroy the computer too bad. And remember, just remain calm.
Oh, my...
Okay. Still not open.
Mark, the certified computer technician.
Try and pry with the screwdriver, but it's not working either. I'm trying to remain calm.
I think you need to relax. Oh, oh no.
Maybe if I open it from the other side, maybe that'll be better. Now the main thing is that you remain patient. You get angry or frustrated with the computer. Lots of people do. I mean, computers are, you know, it's easy to get stressed out, and it's better just to remain calm. Take a deep breath. Oh, okay. Apparently we've been able to successfully open it from the front.
You don't say.
Computer. So, this is the hard disk right here.
Yep.
I don't know if you can see that or not. And this is basically like a record player magnetic. These are different circuitries. I think I've found the problem.
Oh,
I think it's this circuit right here. So I'll just remove it. It's that easy. Removing the circuit.
Oh no.
See?
Mark.
And
Oh no.
another circuit. This here is your random access memory chip.
Okay.
Random access memory.
That doesn't look like RAM to me, but okay.
Yeah, there's a problem with the random access memory. This is your short-term memory of your computer. So Get rid of that.
Oh.
Fire not working.
Oh, no.
Let's take a look at the motherboard. And in this particular model, the motherboard is located underneath the keys. So take off the keypad like that, and we have the motherboard and the various chips.
God.
And what the motherboard does is it connects all these different chips. And since we're going Wi-Fi, we don't need this wiring right here. So we'll just cut the wiring like that, gently, just gently, and there.
Oh God.
This ribbon here, this goes to the keyboard, but we don't need that. See? And the ribbon.
This laptop is destroyed.
Well, we finally found the problem. It's these batteries right here. So we'll be removing the batteries and reinstalling what's new.
I think there's a lot more wrong with this thing than just that battery there.
See, batteries are removed. They have this connector right here, and when I get the new batteries, they will fit right back in. All you gotta do is reconnect it with this.
Okay.
Okay. Now I got a new battery to replace the old one. So put it in like this, and the new battery is installed. And again, since we're going Wi-Fi, we don't need this.
Okay.
And it's time to reassemble the computer.
I don't think you're going to be able to reassemble it.
Duct tape can put your computer back together real quick.
It sure can.
And the mouse will be going with wireless. So. Oh. I hope this show was informational for you, and that you learned about the components of a computer and how to diagnose and fix the problems. I admit that there are a few scratches on it, but I think that the client will be overall happy that the computer is operational. And if you want me to fix your computer, I'm more than willing to do so.
No.
Thank you, and have a nice day.